Hey, everybody. So, this is the year of unity. And the election here in the United States is approaching pretty quickly, and that is a lot of polarity. We have breathed out as far as we can into these fragmented pieces, and now we're breathing back into the unity field. And as we do that, we're approaching the fall equinox that's coming up here on September 22nd, where the energies of light and dark come in the center, right, into equal measures, where we unify and come together as a collective. So on the 22nd, I'm traveling all the way to England. I will be in Glastonbury at very sacred sites, and we will be opening up portals. And I'm inviting you to join me to come into a state of a unified field of oneness and love as we pass through the equinox, as it prepares us as we're moving through these intense energies into the fall and into 12/12, which is going to be a massive point of unity consciousness. So I'll see you there. I love you.